Well, good morning. How are you? Okay, fine. Happy to know about that. I am fine too. Thank you. Now, welcome to American Dream Online English Training, your center for learning the best with the English language. Today we are going to tackle once again another topic, another issue related to environment. Environmental issues. Our topic for today is global warming. Everybody, global warming, global warming, global warming. Great. Now we are going to talk about global warming in 3 steps, in 3 points. The first point is a question, general question about the concept itself. So what does this concept refer to? In another word, what does global warming refer to? What is global warming? Now, then the second step or the second point will be, what are the signs of global warming in your country? Then, third and last, what is your opinion about this phenomenon? Then after this lesson, the coming lesson will be giving one's opinion. You want to give your opinion. What are the words, the phrases, the sentences that you can use to give your point of view or to give your opinion about a given topic? Thank you and welcome to American Dream Online English Training. Now, this is the first element we are going to deal with. What does the concept of global warming refer to? In fact, global warming is said to be a rise in the average temperature of Earth's atmosphere and oceans. What does it mean? It means that if the Earth's temperature was, let's say, for example, 20 degrees Celsius centigrade in maybe 1990, now in 2000 the temperature which was 20 has increased, so there is a rise, 40 for example. So a rise in the world temperature. It was here, it has gone this way, then it's going. So the rise, it goes upward. This is what is called a rise. So a rise in the global temperature of the earth and then of the oceans. This is undoubtedly going to have big impacts on the living element on earth, including plants, animals, seasons, climate, and everything affecting life on earth. This is what the concept of global warming refers to. It is a rise in the average temperature of the earth and then of the oceans. Now, it is believed that major changes have occurred in the Earth's atmosphere right from the beginning of last century. We have seen or we have experienced rise in the temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. Now, let us talk about the second point. What are the signs of global warming in your country? You see, worldwide, the signs of global temperature or global warming varies. They vary according to the climate, according to the rain pattern, according to many things. Now, we live in a tropical country. Tropical country. We live in a tropical country. Tropic. Tropical country. We live in a tropical country. So the most apparent signs of global warming that we know or we experience here is undoubtedly higher temperature. Higher temperature. The temperature has risen. Now we have higher temperature. Higher temperature. What else? What's the next element? Higher temperature. Yes, we have drought. 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 What does it mean? Drought comes from the word dry. Dry. It means that it does not rain anymore in some parts of our tropical area or our tropical region or in our country. It does not rain as it used to rain in the past. So drought or dry season lasts much more than it was in the past or lasts longer over longer periods than in the past. So we have drought, longer drought. Then we have flood. In some areas, when it starts raining, there is flood. Why? Because the pattern, the rain pattern has been modified. Rain pattern have been changed. So change in rain patterns. Change in rain patterns. Change in rain patterns. Change. Change in rain pattern. You see, for example, in the past, it used to rain a lot in some parts of the country, and our parents used to grow crops at a certain period of a year. But now, it is not raining anymore the way it used to rain in the past. That means there is undoubtedly a problem. So change or major changes in rain patterns in some areas or in many areas of a country. Then there is another phenomenon that can be seen if you go to the seaside down there in Port here in Côte d'Ivoire. You will see that the sea level rises. So the rise in the sea level. Rise, let's say rising sea level. For example, if in the past the seabed was here in the past, let's say in 1900, the sea was here. Now, in 2000, the sea level is here. So this is a distance that has been covered by the sea. So in the past, all these places have been occupied by the sea. Undoubtedly, it will destroy some houses. It will cause some consequences. You can see this when you go to the seaside. You will see that some houses have been destroyed by seawater. In the past, the sea could not reach such areas, so people came and built houses, they built their shelters there. But because of what? Global warming, there have been a rise in the level of the sea, and then all these places, all these areas have been destroyed. It's a main concern. It's a main concern that needs to be tackled. Now, you know, we are here to learn English. And in learning a language, you should learn how to speak fluently. You should learn how to speak with others. So what are we going to do right from here? Giving your opinion about something. What's your opinion about global warming? It's a debate. It's when you are going to give your mind what you think. You are going to say what you think, that together we can hope to find a sustainable solution to the issue of global warming. So in our next lesson coming up, we are going to see how to give one's opinion. Once we cover this topic, we'll send you some exercises so that you do them at home or at office, wherever you find yourself. Then you send these exercises back to us, and then when we connect online through Skype or through Google Plus, we are going undoubtedly to debate the issue of global warming, and then you'll be able to give your opinion about this phenomenon. It was a pleasure for me. The pleasure was all mine. I hope you enjoy this short lesson. Thank you. Let us see each other next for another interesting lesson at American Dream Online English Training. Thank you. I love you.